Welcome to La Jolla, where SD Premier Outdoor is transforming this stunning property into the ultimate outdoor living space. As you follow the path to the backyard around the property, you're greeted by our impressive 4K gates, setting the tone for what lies beyond. The terrace features elegant porcelain pavers that not only provide a beautiful finish, but also perfectly complement the breathtaking views. We've incorporated artificial turf and a porcelain-wrapped wall, adding both functionality and aesthetics to the space. A state-of-the-art drain system ensures that this outdoor space remains pristine and well-maintained. Our expertly installed outdoor lighting will illuminate the entire area, creating an inviting atmosphere for any time of day. The XL pavers lead seamlessly to more unilock pavers, guiding you towards the incredible view of the bay and downtown San Diego. Here's the final view. An outdoor living space that's as functional as it's beautiful, ready to be enjoyed for years to come. For more inspiring transformations like this, subscribe to SD Premier Outdoor. Your dream outdoor living space is just a call away. SD Premier Outdoor, your expert outdoor living space design and construction company in San Diego.